Hi, I'm here on my Aweber account and I have two goals here. The first one is to create a list or a folder within Aweber where I am going to save some of the leads that I will be getting out of my promotion or any campaign that I run. The next goal is to identify the HTML code of an opt-in form. The code itself, you will use that, or you will take that and give it to someone and add that HTML code into the opt-in form or the capture page within the website of the person you're working with, so that when the campaign runs, any lead that's coming in through that particular website will go directly to your Aweber folder, the one that you just created. How to do that is actually like this. So first, you need to create a list. You go down here, create a new list, click on this one, and then write your name, your company name, and your name should be there. Just type whatever you want to type over here, and then just click on next. And then here you want to create the test, the list name. So I'm just gonna name it my test list. In your case, you just name it whatever you want to name it, and then you see here that you have to put a list description. Just click on list description and then just type whatever you want to type in here. I'm just gonna put the same thing. Just click on next step, and then here is just basically, when somebody signs up, there is like a double opt-in form. So in this case, you just leave this one here, English, subject line, and then and so on and so forth. Just approve message and create a list. You don't do anything with this one. And then now it's created. So you see up here, the current list is now my test list. If you are going to get the HTML code for your opt-in form, you want to make sure that the current list shows the list where you want to save any leads coming from the particular capture page, coming from the page of the vendor that you're working with. So this is my test list, and now you want to create the HTML code. So just click on sign up forms in here, and then create sign up form, and then you will see here the different templates. To optimize your opt-in rate, just delete the name. Just leave the email address and the submit button here. So your goal here is to get the HTML code, so you don't want to do anything here. Just click on go to step 2, and then name your form, whatever you want to name it. My form. I'm just naming it to this name here. And then the thank you page is, if you're trying to promote a particular URL, this is the place where you are actually going to place your URL. If you are an affiliate marketer, just put your affiliate link in here. Just click on the custom page, and then click on whatever you want to name it. So in this case, I just typed my website here, but if you work with an affiliate marketing network, you can just put the affiliate link over here. And then you could either open this in a new window or, just leave it as it is. So in my case, I open it in a new window, and then I go to step number 3. The save form here, I think we need to save the form. Just click on save form, and then it automatically save the form. The last step is you need to publish this form to your website. So that's basically what you're trying to do. There are 3 options here. For your purposes, you just need I will install my form. And then there are 2 ways on how to get the code. One is the JavaScript snippet, and the other one is the raw HTML version. For your purposes, what you need is the raw HTML version. And then this code here, just highlight everything. When you click on this one, just go there. It will highlight everything, and then copy it. Control C. Control C if you have a Windows computer, and then Command C or Control C also for Mac, and send that over to the person that you're working with. And that's basically it. Thank you and have a great day.